This is a glass elevator. And we're gonna take this thing for a ride. Here we go, up to 3. Here we go. We're back down to 1. Here we go. Oh, going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
2.
Okay. I think we're gonna take this thing for another ride. I won't show you on camera, I promise.
Okay.
Have a nice night.
You too.
We'll just head back up to 3. I like the clicking the sound makes. I can tell it's traction. Looks like it's a Schindler. There you go back down. That's where we'll end the tour. I'll even send it back up so you can see it go up. Alright, we're gonna send it up to 3. We're gonna have to run to catch it. We got it. There it goes. And that's it. Have a nice night.